Hey, everyone, I'm James, and today I'm going to share with you the secret to transforming your life and career through digital marketing. Are you ready to break free from the ordinary and join the extraordinary world of six-figure universe? Let's get started.
Imagine this, a life where you call the shots, where your passion drives your success, and where you have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's the life of a digital marketer in the six-figure universe.
Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your game, our Legacy Builder program is your golden ticket to success. This isn't just a course, it's a revolution.
Joining the Legacy Builder program was the best decision of my life. I've tripled my income and found my true calling.
The support and knowledge you get here are unmatched. It's like having a family that wants you to succeed.
This is your moment. Don't let it slip away. The digital world is exploding with opportunities, and you can be at the forefront. All you need is the right guidance and the determination to make it happen.
Imagine creating killer content that goes viral, mastering SEO to skyrocket your website's traffic, and running ad campaigns that convert like crazy. That's what being a part of Six Figure Universe is all about.
So what are you waiting for? Join the six-figure universe and become a digital marketing superstar with our Legacy Builder program. Click the link below, sign up today, and let's build a legacy that the world will remember. The future is digital. The future is you. Join us now and let's make it legendary.